Hi, how are you doing?
I'm great. And how are you?
Amazing. I'm doing absolutely great. We are meeting second time and I feel you're
Yeah,
looking different today.
yeah, actually I saved. And nice to
Oh,
meet you.
nice to meet you too. I feel good when people come again. So yeah, good to
Oh,
see you again.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So how was your day? How's everything going in your life?
Yeah, no surprises, nothing interesting, but it is going as usual. And actually, I have done a lot of things today. So, and all the things went well. So I feel happy for
Hmm.
that.
Can you
How
describe
is
your day?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Actually, I have made two videos and I
Mm-hmm.
have done office stuff, like a stuff in the office.
Mm-hmm.
Like a project I got, actually we got a new project,
Mm-hmm.
so we are looking forward to move on with that project. So we are very happy to get that project, a big project actually. And I have edited two videos and I will upload that.
Mm-hmm.
Already one is was uploaded earlier this day.
Mm-hmm.
Hap-
Oh my god. Amazing. So you did so
but
many things today, right?
yeah, actually, yeah, today it was a hectic, but uh, the day so far is well, is really well.
Mm-hmm.
How is your weekend, by the way? Any
Amazing,
plan?
amazing.
Okay,
No plans, nothing. Just I love sitting at home during weekends, so I just stay at home and I just relax. Just that,
okay,
nothing
good,
special.
good.
Sometimes I just go out with my mom, and that's the maximum thing which I usually do. But when I have vacations, like winter vacations, summer vacations, then I plan.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I'm planning to have a short trip, but I don't know. But I will definitely have that trip, a short trip.
Yeah, where do you want to go? Which
Like
place?
um, Bandel, like in West Bengal actually. So
Okay.
a temple.
Oh, you are very religious, right?
And not really, but I like to visit temples and
Mm-hmm.
uh, like beautiful places.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah,
are you
me also.
visiting or traveling? Are you
Temples.
temples or any beautiful places?
Yes, yes. Sometimes I go with my friends, but not very frequently. Sometimes, once in a blue moon.
Um,
Even that's very rare.
okay, I got you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So last time also I just forgot to ask you what's your YouTube channel's name. I have met I think 2 3 YouTubers every time I forget to ask their channel's name. Can you tell me your
Uh,
name? I'll subscribe.
yeah, my channel name is Iconic Indro. Iconic Indro.
Okay. I have written down and I'll definitely check
Yeah,
out
definitely,
this
definitely.
session.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel.
I have seen this. Yeah, yeah, definitely I'll subscribe your YouTube channel. But I've seen this a lot in almost all the YouTubers. Whenever they get any chance, they never miss this opportunity to say
This
like,
is a
share,
mandatory.
subscribe.
This is actually this is a mandatory speech. You have to speak
Yes.
out that. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Mm. So, tell me something more about your YouTube journey. Go for 1 minute, then we'll come to topic if you want.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Actually, I have started my YouTube journey since 2020 lockdown,
Okay.
during lockdown.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, I was so introvert. So my family members used to say that you have to talk or you have to be extrovert to get a job
Mm-hmm.
or to crack any interview. Then I decided to let's make a video. I mean, let's make a video for YouTube and just upload it. Let's see what happens. What would
Mm-hmm.
happen? I was consistent for uploading videos on YouTube, and two or three videos went viral in the year 2020. In the same year, I think that in the month of October or November maybe.
Mhm.
So that's how my channel got monetization,
Mhm.
and I was so happy. Really, I was so happy. and
I can see
and
that happiness on your face right now.
yeah, true, true. And also, I when I get any comment from other people,
Mhm.
maybe positive or it may be negative, but I feel like, oh wow, so they are people, they are like they are watching me. And
Mhm.
when get when I used to get 100 views, 200 views,
Mhm.
like I was so happy to get such views. So it was wonderful, I can say. And nowadays I'm uploading videos and also I have to do other stuff in the office.
Mhm.
So I'm quite busy. But I like to be busy. I like to be like more productive
Mhm. Mhm.
because I don't want to like sit without any work or without any
Okay.
task just by
Mhm.
scrolling Instagram or watching
Mhm.
YouTube. I like to be I like to do more work. If
Mhm.
and also yeah, I if while talking about my YouTube channel, so it's a great to work on on my YouTube channel. So it is I'm so happy to have such
Correct.
YouTube.
Correct. Yeah, but you talked about negative comments. Do you really get negative comments? Because you look so innocent.
Oh yeah, actually initially I used to get a lot of negative comments
Mhm.
that I can remember right. Why are you uploading such videos?
Mhm.
Yes, such comments like
Ah,
some comments I can't say right now, but yeah,
okay.
there are a lot of people, right? So they may be positive, they may be negative, but you have to do your own work. You have to
Mhm.
focus on your work. You have, yeah. If
Yes.
I see that, yeah, they are genuine people. Yeah, they have.
Mhm.
Like there are a lot of genuine people who really comment for improvement, for improving
Yes.
my video or improving
Yeah,
my
yeah, yeah.
video quality. Then
They
I
actually
respect
want to help you out.
actually, yeah, actually. So that's why I like those are very like kind-hearted person, kind-hearted
Mhm.
people. So
Mhm.
I like to watch such kind. I like to receive such kind of comments so that I can
Mhm.
improve myself day by day.
Right, right. So, do you have any other YouTube friends from the YouTube community?
Yeah, I have collaborated with many YouTubers. So and also I have collaborated with many YouTubers from different countries. So
Oh my God.
yeah, I'm so grateful. Just you can check it out after this video. You can check it out my YouTube channel. It would be like awesome for me. And also there is a
Definitely,
playlist
definitely.
English conversations with YouTubers. Then you can watch. Then you can see like there are a lot of foreign
Mhm.
tutors, foreign people who are really good
Mhm.
YouTubers.
Mhm. I think the kind of work which you do, it's very interesting. Absolutely, because in this type of work, you get to meet with a lot of people, variety of
Definitely,
people.
that's true. Actually, I love communicating. I love communicating with new people, with the people from different countries, even different states in India. So I love
Mhm.
communicate. I love communication. So that's why I want to sharpen my English more and more so that I can be more fluent.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, as you told me last time that you have around 80,000 subscribers. So, do
Yeah.
your relatives and everybody, friends, they treat you like a celebrity?
Oh no, no, not at all. Actually, I am introvert. As I said that I am introvert. So
Mhm.
I don't like that pamperness from my
Mhm.
learners or from my friends. I just treat as usual.
Oh, you are very humble then.
Yeah, actually, I like to be such. I actually I don't want to get anyone hurt. So that's my
Mhm.
trait. Yeah, that's why just I I want to stay as what I am actually.
Mhm. Very nice, very nice. So, are there any people who are inspired by you when they have started the same kind of work? Any stories?
Actually, in school, yeah, they comment like that. Thank you for uploading such videos. I am by watching your videos, like to see your journey. So this
Mhm.
kind of comments really I love to receive.
Okay.
These are the comments are close to my heart, really.
Wow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because you get a lot of attention from people, and
Yeah,
humans love attention.
yeah. Those are really immense.
Mhm. Correct, correct. So great to know about your YouTube journey. Really I'm glad that I'm getting a chance
Wow.
to speak with you.
No,
Yeah,
no, no. It's
yeah. So, can we come on the topic? Do you know what the
yeah.
topic is?
Like
Fears,
fear.
right? Yes, yes.
By the way, you are really a good girl. Like you are also. I think that you are also very kind.
I don't know, but maybe a lot of people say that. But
Oh,
you should
that's
not
great.
judge people by their face. I also look very innocent, I feel. A lot of people say
I,
this.
and your voice is really sweet. I said you earlier.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah. So tell me about your phobias or fears in life.
Yeah, I have a great fear of height actually.
Oh, okay.
So,
So,
but I love to do scuba diving and also skydiving.
okay.
But I have that fear. Do you have any fear?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I am scared of lifts. So I never travel in lift. I am scared of getting stuck in lift.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
You are the first one that I met. I have met like, have that kind of fear. Really? Yeah. Yeah. Anyone can have different fears. There is,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like, I think 1 or 2 years ago, I used to live on the sixth floor. So we used to use lift. So, I had that fear always that I'll get stuck. What if I get stuck? So, yeah.
also, I think that have you watched such kind of movies like those are people stuck in the lift?
Yes, yes, new in the news. So many, so many. There are so many, right? National, international, these type of news. I'm very scared. So I used to use stairs, you know.
Actually, I can say it may be true or it may be not true, but I want to share with you. Like actually, as you have such fear, so this kind of news are surrounding with you always.
Mhm. Always. So if there are any news related to that, I never miss that. And even in Delhi, we have metro stations. So sometimes I am even scared of them, all the metro stations. I don't know why, but all the devices and everything. I don't know, but yeah, I have something, some fears inside me.
So I think that you have such fear like a claustrophobia, right? A suffocation kind of.
Yes, correct, correct. Yeah, yeah. I'm scared of all these type of gadgets, you can say. Not phones and all, but like gadgets. Not gadgets, I can say. Some
Actually, technology,
electronic.
electronic.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct. Yeah, 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 yeah. So if I tell to people that I don't like, I travel in metro, but little bit I have that fear inside me.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm scared of
You are
metro
carrying
stations.
during the like during the platform.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Some uh, any other fear you have? You can share some stories related to that.
Yeah, I have a fear of snake.
Snake.
Yeah, snake.
Why?
Actually, maybe I was killed by snake in my past
Okay.
like earlier birth. I don't know.
Oh. Okay. Like, do you like? Is there any story attached to that in the childhood? Something like that similar happened.
No, actually, I am very scared of snake.
Okay, okay. I think I am scared of dogs also maybe.
Dog. Oh,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
actually,
yeah.
I was scared. Uh, I was scared, but nowadays I am not scared with the dog.
Okay, okay. And apart from animals, do you have fears? some people have fears like loneliness, related to work, related to career, profession, relationships, something like
Yeah,
that.
actually, yeah. If someone has no work to do,
Mhm.
if someone is very jobless, then maybe or she has such kind of
Yes.
fear, like
Hmm.
maybe
Get it.
because I have such friends who are who are preparing for government exams
Hmm.
or government jobs. So I think that they have such fear. If such kind of things uh, do not work well, then
Yes.
what will they do?
Correct. Correct. Get it. Oh my god. So, you have any questions, any doubts, anything we can discuss? Then,
Mm,
otherwise, we'll wrap up the session for today.
okay, yeah. Actually, I have no such questions right now. But in next class, I will definitely ask you something.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Sure. It was great connecting with you again. It
Yeah,
was such a lovely session.
definitely. It was really a lovely session with you. Hope to see you soon again.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bye.
Yeah.
Take care.
Take care. You too. Bye.
You too. Bye.